Now for the A minor chord, we put our first finger on the first fret of the B or second string from the floor. Then we put our second finger on the second fret of the G or third string from the floor. Everything's the same on the right hand, except instead of pulling on the low thick E string and the G, B, thin E, we're going to pull on the A or fifth string and the G, B, or E. The right hand is the same except pulling on the E or sixth, third, second, first. We're going to pull the fifth, third, second, first, or the A, G, B, and thin E strings like this. Very beautiful chord. Again, we're doing the minimum movement coming away on this hand. So this hand is the same as it was before. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Come back. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. Come back. So here's our A minor chord. First finger on the first fret of the B or second string. Second finger on the second fret of the G or third string. And we're pulling the A, G, B, E. And let's try that. Just real smooth. Get that clear. So once you're comfortable with that, then after the first time of pulling like this, then you're going to add your third finger on the second fret of the thin E while keeping down your first and second finger. So while keeping down your first and second finger on the B and G, first fret and then second fret, we're going to add our third finger on the second fret of the thin E. So we're going to go back and forth from the A minor to A minor 6. So back and forth. Once you're comfortable with that, then after our third finger, we're going to add our fourth finger on the third fret of the thin E or first string like this. First chord, A minor. Add your third finger on the second fret of the thin E. Then add your fourth finger on the third fret of the thin E. Then go back to third finger on the second fret, which is already, these are laying down, they're already staying down. So it's like this. Add your third finger, keeping your first and second already down. Add your fourth. Release back to your third. Let's look at that from the right hand. Add your third finger, second fret on the thin E. Add your fourth finger on the third fret of the thin E. Release your fourth finger only. Let's do that again.